The good folks from DHL were kind enough to drop this today, the Redmi Note 7. Hello everybody, my name is George, this is JS Tech, and let's unbox the Redmi Note 7. First of all guys, as usual, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And now, let's talk about the Redmi Note 7. I bought the phone from AliExpress. I paid roughly about $220 for it. It's the global variant with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage in the Neptune blue color. So let's unbox it. This is the box that the Redmi Note 7 comes in. On the side of the box, you can see an indication that this indeed is the global variant of the phone. There are no Xiaomi markings anywhere, except for the Mi logo. Redmi is a brand now, you know. Despite of that, you get the usual Xiaomi packaging. Once you open the box, you get a smaller box containing the included case. This is very important since the phone is all made of glass now. Inside there you also get the required warranty and user guide information. Then lies the phone. Underneath the phone there is the USB Type-C cable and a 2-amp charger. It is nice to see that Xiaomi have included a quick charge adapter in the box. You also get a SIM ejection tool. And now, let's pull the stickers off and look at this beauty. It's a very interesting color. Depending on the angle that you look at it, it either looks blue or purple. The software out of the box is a usual Xiaomi thing. You get no app drawer and MIUI 10.2.1 installed. The phone itself looks fantastic in this color. And the specs are as follows. A Snapdragon 660 with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. You get a dual camera on the back consisting of a 48MP Samsung sensor and a 5MP depth sensor. The main camera has an aperture of 1.8 and it uses pixel binning technology to combine 4 pixels into one and produce a 12MP image. The second sensor has an aperture of 2.4. The battery is rated at 4000 mAh. So, today we unboxed the global version of the Redmi Note 7. I plan to use the Redmi Note 7 as my daily driver in the next few weeks. I want to see how the phone performs, I want to check out the camera, and I also want to see what's the overall feel of the phone. I also plan to do a few videos about it, so be on the lookout for that. And so, that was it for today's video guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, you know what to do. If you didn't, you also know what to do. And until next time, everyone, take care and bye bye.